D500 Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner unboxing video. Welcome to use UWANT Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. To ensure the best cleaning experience, please follow this user guide. When your UWANT D500 Pro arrives, please check that the outer packaging is intact. Please open the box with the printed side facing up. After opening, check all components against the list below. The package includes user manual, base station, cleaning brush, scented cleaning solution, handle, and main unit. Start up guide. Before the first use, lift the floating handle upward until you hear a click to unlock it. To lock the handle, press downward until you hear a click. You can freely enable or disable this feature based on your usage preferences. Place the machine about 30 centimeters in front of your feet. Step gently on the floor brush and tilt the handle back to a comfortable angle. Keep your arms naturally relaxed. Do not bend your elbows forcefully. Ensure the roller is fully touching the ground. Press the power button and wait 5 seconds for the roller to saturate. Choose cleaning modes based on dirt level. Smart mode for lighting dirt. Power mode for heavy stains. Dry mode for water patches. Incorrect usage. Do not twist the machine or handle forcefully. Do not lift the floor brush off the ground while cleaning. Do not drag or pull the machine harshly. Pausing cleaning. To pause, pull the machine back, step on the floor brush, and return it to the upright position. Storage after use. Place the base on a flat surface and connect the power. The base has cable channels on the side. Do not wash them. After cleaning, push the machine back to the base station. When battery reaches 15%, press the self-cleaning button to start self-cleaning. Steps for disassembling and installing a separate base station. Gently lift both sides upwards to complete the disassembly. Align with the slot, press down, and complete the installation. AirGrip Handle. Installation and use. The machine features AirGrip Handle. Step 1. Align handle buttons with main body logo and insert vertically until click confirms installation. Handle features 2 buttons, top to bottom. Cleaning mode. Power button. Speaker button adjusts 3 volume levels. Default, medium. Press once to increase the voice volume. Press again to lower the voice volume. The water droplet icon is the self-cleaning button. When the machine is pushed into the base station, press the self-cleaning button to begin self-cleaning. Pressing it again will pause the self-cleaning process. The mode button supports 3 cleanings. Smart mode automatically adjusts water flow and cleaning power. Power mode increased water output and suction power. Dry mode is for bathroom water stains and other wet messes. Tri-edge cleaning. The floor brush is designed with 3 edge contact sides front, left, and right. The roller brush can make full reach with the wall from the front and both sides, allowing it to clean corners and tight gaps efficiently. Self-cleaning. After completing cleaning tasks, please promptly return the machine to the base station for self-cleaning. Ensure the cleaning water level is above the minimum mark before self-cleaning. During the self-cleaning, the roller brush cover and the base station form an enclosed space. Prevents splashing and improves cleaning efficiency. Throughout the process, the roller brush rotates in both directions for deeper cleaning, and the cover is cleaned simultaneously. After self-cleaning, please promptly empty the wastewater from the all-in-one tank. Please pull up the black top section gently, using finger grip, and remove the dry wet separation filter. Empty the dirty water and rinse the tank with clean water. Use the cleaning brush if needed. After cleaning, press the dry wet separation filter back into place. Align the bottom of the tank with the slot on the machine and push inward until you hear a click, indicating successful installation. Gently pull the tank outward to check for secure fit. Deodorizing stick. Installation and use. The upgraded water tank includes a built-in active particle deodorizing stick. To install deodorizing sticks, please align the raised side of the stick with the round slot under the dirty water tank lid. Press until you hear a click, meaning installation is complete. Once installed, the entire tank enters the deodorizing system to prevent unpleasant odors. Recommendation: replace the deodorizing stick every 3 months. To replace the deodorizing stick, Please hold the stick in one hand and the tank lid in the other. Pull both sides outward gently and discard the used deodorizing stick. Quiet drying system. After use, promptly return the machine to the base station for self-cleaning. Self-cleaning noise level is approximately 80 decibels. Press the self-cleaning button once to initiate the self-cleaning cycle. Upon completion, the system automatically enters the drying phase, which runs for 60 minutes. If you only need drying, no cleaning, long press the self-clean button to start dry-only mode. Tap once to pause. Tap again to resume. If the machine is pushed into the base station, but self-cleaning is not activated, it will automatically enter drying mode after 8 minutes, preventing the roller from developing odors. To disable this auto-drying feature, long press the volume button on the left side of the screen for 3 seconds. Long press again for 3 seconds to re-enable. Water tank. Instructions. The side with the black soft plug is the clean water tank. The other side is the wastewater tank. Hold the machine and gently press the latch to remove the tank. Open the black plug and fill the clean water tank. Add fragrance cleaning solution if needed. Wipe the tank dry before reinstalling. Do not use non-compatible or high foam cleaners. 180-layer flat guide. Gently step on the floor brush with 1 foot. Pull the handle backwards to tilt the machine from upright into working position. Continue pressing the handle downwards until the machine lays completely flat at 180. In this position, the machine can clean under low furniture such as beds and sofas. The machine's height when fully flat is 13.5 centimeters. To return to normal working position, please lift the handle upward. The machine will reset automatically. Anti-Tangle Hair Removal System. The machine uses a 100-tooth spring-loaded comb strip. As it cleans, hair is combed straight and guided towards the V-shaped suction inlet, where enhanced airflow pulls it into the dirty water tank. This design achieves true zero hair tangling on the roller brush roller, removal, and installation. Press the black latch on the brush cover upward and remove the cover. Press the white button on one side of the brush. When the roller brush ejects, pull it out to the left. You may pull the motor outward to clean the suction port using the included cleaning brush. Periodic machining, maintenance. We recommend cleaning the water tank, floor brush, and internal pipelines once a month. Washable parts. Important safety notice. Always power off the machine completely before rinsing any components to ensure safety. Open the cover plate. You may rinse the roller brush and the cover itself using a shower head. After smoothly pulling the roller brush to the side, the motor area and the debris suction inlet can be rinsed. The suction pipeline is also washable. Take care to avoid splashing water into the motor heat dissipation vents located above the pipeline during cleaning. Note that after flushing the ground brush, promptly dry the power connection to ensure it is completely dry before recharging. To avoid charging issues and extend battery life, the above areas can be rinsed. Non-washable parts. Do not rinse the main body, LED display, floating handle, or the upper section of the pipelines. It is strictly forbidden to rinse the all-in-one base station, as it contains high-voltage components. Note: rinsing the above components is strictly prohibited. For battery level at 1 bar or above, if the machine has started cleaning the roller brush, but you wish to stop it, press the power button to stop self-cleaning and let the machine stays in charging mode. Machine parking guide. Empty both the clean water and dirty water tanks. Rinse and air dry completely. Use a hard object to press on the round hole. Hear the clicking sound and pull the handle upward accordingly. When packing, orient the box so the side with the printed logo faces forward. Insert the 2 small foam blocks or molded pulp on each side. Place the main unit in the center lower layer. Place the cleaning solution packets, cleaning brush and handle on both sides. Cover with the larger foam board or molded pulp. Place the base station into the top foam slot. Close the box and seal.